Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Body Wellness. Today we'll be cooking Schiacciata di Zucchine e Cipolle. Cipolle is like a cipollino onion. I figured it out. So now is the middle of the summer, the best season for zucchini, and what could be better than Italian zucchini made certain way. Okay, so we need zucchini, we need onion, water, rosemary, breadcrumbs, flour, salt, pepper, and semolina flour. I made it myself from spaghetti. And this is my beautiful holder for olive oil. All right, so there we go. We use mandoline to cut zucchini. Nice round circles. All right, done. We'll mix our zucchini, onion, okay, like that. Okay, and we'll make a mixture with the flour and water, like that. Okay, mix all together. All right, so we mix our onions, zucchini, flour, and water. Okay, then we add salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay, here we go. Breadcrumbs and our beautiful rosemary. Our mixture is ready, and so we're ready to put it in the oven. So we put our olive oil, and we put semolina. Okay, so after we spread all this evenly, your onion, your zucchini, and the breadcrumbs, so we'll just sprinkle with olive oil again. Nice, beautiful olive oil, like that. And semolina flour. That make it nice and crunchy. Just like that. All right. And we'll put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, so we'll wait what's gonna happen. Okay, our zucchini is ready. Let's try. Nice and crunchy, how they were supposed to be. Smells like summer. Exquisite. Zucchini, onion, crunchy, moisture. It's just delicious.